everyone and welcome to Varshaa's Versatile channel. In this video, we are going to prepare crispy, flavorful vegetable fritters comprising of onions, capsicum, potatoes, brinjal and carrot. Fritters or pakoras are usually prepared during rainy or winter season, parties or functions in India. Fritters are very popular for their crispy, flavorful taste. In this video, I have tried mixed vegetable fritters or pakoras. Here are the ingredients which we require to prepare vegetable fritters. Gram flour 1 cup, rice flour 1/4 cup, pink salt 1 teaspoon, asafoetida hing 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Add a tablespoon of butter or clarified butter, that is ghee, in the mixture and give a good mix. Now combine the mixture together and add water. Prepare a thick batter to coat the vegetable slices. चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं. Heat the oil in the pan. Dip the vegetable slices in the batter, coat them well and drop them one by one in the oil to fry them. Flip them on either sides to get an uniform color. Continue the same procedure for the next batches too. When the bubbles gets seized, remove it from the oil and spread it in the kitchen towel to remove excess oil. Wow, how perfectly it's being prepared. Taste the vegetable fritters with sauce, chutney or dips of your choice and enjoy it. मुझे आशा है आप भी इस रेसिपी को घर में ट्राई करेंगे। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है तो लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। If you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and do comment below and subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon. Thanks for joining me, friends. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I shall meet you with another recipe in my next video. Till then, happy cooking!